Hi everyone, welcome to Tableau demo session. So first we will see what is Tableau and where exactly we are using the Tableau for business users. So Tableau comes under business intelligence reporting tools. So I can say that Tableau comes under business intelligence reporting tools. So first we will see what is business intelligence here. As you all know that business intelligence, the term business intelligence is a set of methodologies and process, and we will use various architectures and we will use various technologies that transform your detailed data or raw data into a meaningful data. So that will use to uh, enable more effective business decision for the business users. So in the other way, I can say, so business intelligence is a term which refers to the various methodologies, various architectures, various process we will follow to transform your detailed data into a summarized data, so that using summarized data, a business user can create reports and take the effective business decisions. So this is called business intelligence. Now we have various BA reporting tools. Like I can say, traditional business in BI reporting tools or a conventional BI reporting tools in a market. So we have, what are the reporting tools we have here is, so SAP Business Objects, and we have Cognos, IBM Cognos, and we have Microsoft Business Intelligence, and we also have Oracle Business Intelligence, and we also have MicroStrategy. So these are all the conventional reporting tools we have, but still when it comes to ad hoc reporting, so when compared to all of these reporting tools, SAP Business Object is more user friendly to the business user, and that will help the business user to create ad hoc reporting. When I say ad hoc, means immediate reports. So whenever you business user wants to create a report and do some analysis on ad hoc basis, they can very well create the ad hoc reports with SAP Business Objects reporting tool. So when it compared to Cognos, MSBI, and Oracle Business Intelligence and MicroStrategy, your SAP BO is more user friendly. But still, so they need some IT help here. So IT developer help. So why they need IT developer help here is, so if you take SAP Business Objects, they need to have the semantic layer to be created in the backend. Then only a business user can go and create reports. So still the business user is not happy with these kind of tools. So to compensate this, so again, each vendor, so SAP and Microsoft and Oracle, so they have released one more tool by keeping the business user in mind. So what business user is expecting here is more user friendly, as well as which tool that supports the ad hoc reporting. So SAP BO has released SAP Lumira, and Microsoft has released Power BI, and individually a Tableau software came. And also we have ClickView ClickView. So, so each vendor has released these tools, named them as data visualization tools. Data visualization tools. Now, so with this, so the main motto of releasing all of these tools here is, so with the addition of ad hoc reporting, few more features get added into these tools. So few more features here means creating charts, creating dashboards and stories. So these are all the added features to the ad hoc reporting, and they have released each individual tool here, named them as data visualization tools. So when compared to all of these tools, SAP Lumira and Power BI and ClickView, so we have, so the visualization perspective, Tableau will help more functions. So when I say visualization means in order to present something to the user, so that we will call it as a visualizations. When it comes to visualizations perspective, Tableau is more more user friendly to the business user. So when you compare, as a single line, when you compare all of this ClickView, Power BI, and SAP Lumira with Tableau, so Tableau is supporting for both iOS, which means Apple OS, as well as your Windows, and Power BI is not supporting for Apple OS, and SAP Lumira is having a limited uh, number of connectivity in the backend. When it compares with Tableau, Tableau will connect to nearly 50 different types of databases. But when it compared to Lumira, since it is integrated with SAP, so it is not having much data source, data connectors to connect to the backend databases. When it comes to ClickView, so ClickView, the performance wise will be poor when it connects to huge number of data sets. So this is just like a one-liner difference when you compare with the Tableau. So by comparing all of these functions, Tableau is giving the performance wise as well as the compatibility with the different types of OS the user will be using it, as well as the different types of connectors it will be having it. So now, so this is the reason we are picking the Tableau here. So when it comes to Tableau, as we all know that Tableau is a data visualization tool. Tableau is a data visualization tool. So why we are calling it as a data visualization tool here is, so what is data visualization here? Representing the data in the form of charts and graphs. This is called data visualization. Or in the other way, we can say that the pictorial representation of data in the form of charts and graphs. This is called data visualization tool. So in Tableau, we can create reports, we can create charts, we can create dashboards, and we can create stories. So when I say reports here is reporting, which means the data will be in the form of tables, vertical table, horizontal table, and a cross table. When it comes to charts, we have the different types of charts, say like a bar chart, pie chart, line chart, and stacked bar chart. Okay, so histograms. So those comes under charts. So I can take the one by one chart here. So also about the other point what I want to add here is, so you can Tableau contains 24 built-in charts. Okay, so when you come to charts, so Tableau contains 24 built-in charts, which will install along with the Tableau software. So out of these 24 charts, so whenever by using these charts, whenever business user trying to create any report, so when I said create a report here means with the combination of objects. Let us say, for example, date, product name, and for which month, and which region, and what is the sales. This is a report actually. Combination of fields. Okay, so when you business using Tableau, when business user try to create reports, so based on the objects user is trying to pull into the report. So out of 24 built-in charts, so Tableau will highlight the appropriate charts. So out of 24 built-in charts, based on the objects you have dragged, based on the data type of the objects you have dragged to the report, so any few of the charts will get highlight in the Tableau. So using those charts, if user wants to use them, they can go and easily create the report, or else a business user can create their ad hoc report, their custom reports. The custom charts they can create it. So what is happening here? So based on the objects business user drag to the reports, Tableau is highlighting the charts. So what is happening here is Tableau is interacting with the objects, whatever you have dragged, and highlighting the appropriate charts. So this is the reason, one of the reason we will call Tableau is a interactive analysis tool. Since Tableau is interacting with the objects we have dragged and highlighting the appropriate chart, so this is the reason you are calling Tableau as a interactive analysis tool. And with the help of the Tableau and uh, the objects you have dragged, and if it is highlighting means any business user can go and create reports. So with the help of some training, any business user can go and create reports. That is also a reason you will call Tableau is a self-service business intelligence tool, self-service BI tool. So with these options, we are calling Tableau is a data visualization tool, Tableau is an interactive analysis tool, Tableau is a self-service BI tool. So these many options you have in Tableau. So when it comes to charts, what are the different types of charts we have? Here is, I'll just take a few of the charts uh, within the Word document, and the same we can create in Tableau. So I'll go to the charts, and let me take one other chart. So we have, this is the bar chart. We can simply call that as a vertical bar chart. This is your vertical bar chart. And when it comes to other charts, we have line chart. We can have the line chart, different types of line charts we have. We have, this is the line chart. And the other chart what we have, We also have pie charts. Let's take that. Now we have these three different types of charts. So what is the use of having these different types of charts? So we can represent the data in single chart itself. But why? What is the use of having three different types of charts? Or if you take in Word documents itself, you have all of these charts. We have donut, we have bubble, we have bar, and this is vertical bar and this is horizontal bar. Within that bar chart, you have stacked bars, right? So what is the use of having these different types of charts here? Is what we can say a business user can analyze the data. So with the bar chart, one type of analysis they will do, and with the type of line chart, so what is the how the business sales is going, how the business trends is going up. So this can over a period of time. Okay, so that analysis can be done by using line chart. And when it comes to pie chart, so out of total sales, what is the share by each of the quarter, which means, so when compared to the bar chart and pie chart, so pie chart will give you the will compare the all of the sales with the total sales. So which means, so based on the for each chart, so different analysis will be doing here. So that is the reason we are having different charts. So like that, we have 24 different type of charts in Tableau. Along with that, we can create our own customized charts based on the data we have. Okay, and now this is about your charts. When it comes to dashboard, so in Tableau, so we can create these charts by using each individual worksheet. In each worksheet, in one worksheet, you can create bar chart. In another worksheet, you can create line chart. In another worksheet, we can create pie chart. But any business user, they'll expect to have all of them in a one single layout. That layout, we are calling it as a dashboard. So they want to have, business user wants to analyze all of the charts, whatever the analyze they are going to do, they are trying to have them in a single layout. That layout, we are calling it as a dashboard. For example, if you arrange these charts in a single layout, it would looks like this. So let me take these charts and reduce the size of them. So we will get these kind of charts. I'm just trying to bring them into a single layout here. So now let's assume that this is your single layout where you have vertical bar chart and the line chart along with your pie chart. So like this, in your dashboard, we can have multiple charts in a single layout. So we can have like 6 or 7 dashboards. So 7 worksheets. But one complicated here is, if you keep increasing the number of charts in a dashboard, the performance of the dashboard will get degraded. So we'll try to reduce as less sheets as possible. So now, by looking into this, we're calling it as a dashboard. And at any point of time, if any business user wants to analyze some data, so if you could observe this, we have, you know, uh, the red color, blue and green. And here also we have the same color, and the bar charts also same color. So if business user just try to see the data in this line chart for this red, So in dashboard, it will automatically highlight the appropriate chart in this bar chart and highlight the appropriate chart in the pie chart. So the same way in the pie chart, if any business user just going to try to see the data for the green, which represents for third quarter, for the same third quarter, what is the sales happen and for each category of the product, and the same how the business trends happen over a period of time for that product, we can see. So which means if you try to analyze for any one particular data, the appropriate data in the other charts will also get reflect. So that analysis will be possible in dashboard. So the other point what we can create here is stories. So when I say story here means, if you take a generic name, the story is a just a story represents a combination of characters. And for example, if you take a movie, it's mainly depend the success or failure of the movie depends upon the story, which means it's a combination of characters. When it takes a movie, it is a combination of scenes, right? So if the story is good, which means the presentation is good, the movie also good. So the reason why I'm telling this here is the story is just like, to create some, presentation to the business users. So by using this story, we can create story points, we can create templates, and we will present that to the other users, which is same as like, PowerPoint. So we have Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you take this Microsoft PowerPoint, you will have blank templates and predefined templates will be available. So using that, so we will create some presentation and to present to the business users. The same way in Tableau, we can use each individual worksheet in each story point, and we can write something and present to the business user. So the same way we can use what these single worksheet in single story point, or we can use entire dashboard in a single story point, and we can prepare the stories to the present in order to present to the business users. So this is what we will do in Tableau. So if you take, Tableau, you will have multiple products like, Tableau Desktop, Tableau Reader, Tableau Server, Tableau Online, right? So you have multiple products. So we can create these reports, charts, dashboards, and stories using Tableau Desktop only. Okay. So once after you create all these reports, charts, and dashboards and stories in Tableau Desktop, if you want to share with the other business users, so we need to export, we need to publish these dashboards and worksheets to Tableau server. Then only the other business users can check it or can see it. So if you take, like a simple architecture of Tableau, and I'll show you the one of the example of the dashboard what we have created, what we can create in Tableau. So this is one of the dashboard, the appearance, the visualizations, like then this is stacked bar. This is again stacked bar. So this is horizontal stacks, and this is vertical stacks, and this is your line charts, and this is your pie chart. And on the right hand side, you have the filters available. Based on the filters you will select, the corresponding data which will get reflect on the dashboard. So this is one of the dashboard, so which we have created in Tableau. Okay, and now let us see the architecture of Tableau, how it looks like. So as we discussed, whatever the visualizations you can create here, This is your Tableau desktop. In Tableau desktop, we will be creating the visualizations. And in order to share with the business users, we need to publish that visualizations to the Tableau server. And then these visualizations will be shared to the iPads and mobile Safari and PC browsers like this. So we need to keep remind that saying that we can create visualizations in Tableau desktop only, and then we need to publish to Tableau server so that the other business user can see it based on the access levels they have. And so when it comes to the reporting users, okay, so we have different types of users here. There are few business users where they are familiar with the Tableau. Somehow they are familiar with the Tableau. For those kind of users, so whatever the visualizations we have created in desktop, so we can give access to Tableau Reader, which means Tableau Reader will connect to Tableau server and it will show the visualizations. So Tableau Reader is just to view the visualizations. Any user cannot go and edit on Tableau Reader. So they can just see the visualizations in Tableau. Okay, and so for few business users, we would be giving access to the Tableau. So using Tableau server. In Tableau server, they can go and edit the visualizations. Since they are familiar with Tableau somehow, they can log into Tableau server and they can edit the filters, they can edit the colors, they can apply the formattings and see the visualizations. Those kind of users, we are called them as remote users. With these kind of users, we will just provide the URLs. Using that URL, they can log into the system and see the visualizations. Those kind of users, we are called them as remote users. There are few users and they are very good decision makers. There are few users where they are not completely familiar with Tableau and they still want to analyze the data, whatever you created in dashboards you created in Tableau. So for those kind of users, what we will do, we will just export all of the visualizations to either to PDF or Excel. And we will share that PDF and Excel with the users. So those kind of users, I'm calling them as static users. Okay, and these users can analyze the data only using PDF, either using PDF or Excel. So why we are exporting to PDF or Excel means they are not familiar with Tableau software. And there are other users, mobile or iPad users. For these kind of users, we can create while developing the dashboard in Tableau desktop. We will have predefined templates are available in Tableau. When I say predefined templates is so based on the end user device. Let us say, for example, if an end user is using Apple phone or iPad or Android device. Okay, so based on the device they are using in, we will use the predefined templates available in Tableau. So if you create dashboard by using those predefined templates, whatever the visualizations you have created, those will be compatible to the end user device. Or else, if you are not using any predefined templates, the visualizations, whatever you have created, it will be defaulted to your browser, PC browser. Okay, so and what would be the difference? How the look and feel you will have by using the predefined filter is. So let us take, if you take any one of the website, if you log in through website, you will have the look and feel is completely different. Whereas if you install any one of the app on your mobile, the look and feel is completely different. Okay, so to have that kind of comfortable and compatibility on the devices, so we will have the advantage in Tableau here is we will have the predefined templates. So using that predefined templates, we can create the dashboards for the end users. So let me take an example here. So if you see this, the one which I've created now, so the same kind of visualization, whatever is available in desktop, laptop, and the mobile and the iPad. So the same kind of look and feel you will have when you create dashboards using predefined templates. So, so with these kind of analysis, either through PC browser or through mobile or through iPad, and few users will be using a PDF or Excel, and few users will be using directly log into Tableau. So, a business users can log in all these ways and do some analysis and take some effective business decisions. So this is about your Tableau demo. Thanks for watching.